tell me what to do. Tell me in the time when you gotta get She wants to wind her. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be minding on my place, she looking on my eye order. She wants to wind her. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She on me heaven.
Yeah.
That's what they say.
She wants to wander. One get high grade.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is about some virgin hair that was sent to me from a company that I've worked with several times before. This one is from Dorhair, and I'm just showing you guys the cap construction on this one. The knots do come slightly bleached and is pre-plucked. It's got a lot of parting space, you guys. This one has a 13x6 lace frontal. It does have combs and adjustable straps, and it also comes with an elastic band, which is really nice. Like, it felt really secure and fit my head really well. So the wave pattern on this one is natural wave, and I did get it in a natural color. It is 18 inches long, and this one is in 180 density. The cap size that I got was a medium cap, and it definitely fit my head perfectly. The style number for this one is NW136-Y1, and if you guys want to know more about this unit, then you can definitely check it out in the information box down below. I'll have a direct link to this wig. So I went ahead and just placed the wig on my head just to try it on and to cut the ear tabs. I always do sideburns and baby hairs. If that's not your style, you absolutely don't have to do that. For me, it's just something that I like to do. So I went ahead and trimmed the sideburns and started laying down the baby hairs. The edge control I used for this section was the Style Factor, and I didn't end up using any any gel or any hairspray or anything to adhere this wig down. I definitely did this wig glueless, and I think it's because the elastic band and the size of the cap fit me so perfectly. I didn't feel like I needed to actually lay this wig down, and I knew I wasn't going to do a part. If you want to do all those things, then I would suggest probably go ahead and lay the wig down with some Got2b gel and some hairspray. But if you're not going to do a part and you just want this wig to be more like free flowing, I feel like you could probably just use the edge controlled method like I use. So this is pretty much the end result, you guys. These are literally the curls straight out the box. I did not manipulate the curls at all, and I absolutely love this wig. Now what I definitely do want to do is wash this hair, condition it, and see how the curls pop back. But as it stands right now, I love the curl pattern on this wig. I just gave it like a light trim, and I literally didn't do anything else. This one is literally ready to go out the box. Just to tell you guys a little bit about the quality of the hair, it has a really amazing density, and the hair is really soft and lightweight. I would absolutely recommend this style, especially in this length for the summertime, for the springtime. Like, I feel like this length is really perfect, and it could work for, you know, an everyday wig or even for a vacation wig, because it's not too long and it won't take a lot of maintenance. This hair is definitely going to be a more low maintenance option. So if you guys have questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to get back with you guys. Make sure you guys are staying safe and you're staying in the house. Be careful, be healthy, be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys share this video, share with a friend, share with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. All right, you guys, peace out.